Hi, my name is Vishal, and this is the video of Project 2. In the Project 1, we had the two servo motors, which we used to calculate the DH parameters, and this we added another motor uh, to make the end effector right using the ICANN and FCAN functions. And this, we use the Arduino board and the breadboard to give the ground and the power connections to each motor. And we use a USB cable to the computer to provide the 5 voltage uh, current to the board. My partner Kiran will take you through the software part.
So now we go ahead with the software part. In the previous project, we had done the GUI only for the two arms. Now for the third motor, and then connecting the GUI to the hardware will be shown in this thing. So first, I'll take you to the slider, and I'll show you the few updated code. So initially, I declared global A, and then where I declared A as Arduino, and that is to COM port 3. You can see I have mentioned the pins like 9, 10, 11, which are the output pins, and then now I'll take you to the slider. Yep. In the slider function, again mention the global A because as I mentioned A as Arduino. I gave servo attach A comma 2 because here the value will be 1 or 2, and then J2 I declared J2 as handles.a because handles.a will be the first link, and then as we will get the values in the radians, I try to convert that into degrees, and I also multiplied it with 2 because I just want to like rotate the motor not in the small intervals but in the larger intervals. Just I multiplied the degrees with 2, and then I rounded it off the h2 value because the degrees, because when we get something like a 181.6 or something, I want to make it like 189, so I use the function round h2. Similarly for the other slider, and then as we know, like Arduino only supports like two motors, so I'm giving the third motor to the analog pin 11. I gave like two push buttons, one for getting the end effector for writing on the board, and other one to get back the end effector. You can see I mention here, I can mention the values from 0 to 250. So firstly I give 250, and then to get that back the position would be like 100 something. So now yeah, first I like connect the Arduino with the USB. Now yeah, I'll try to run them. You can see the GUI motor move motor in the position. I gave one button, and the other one is release back button, the regular push button, and the two sliders. Just hit the push button, cut my GUI here. Now when I hit the move motor in the position, the motor is in the position. Now and now I'm trying to rotate one arm. So first when I rotate, it comes to 0 position, and then I can take to the position wherever I want. So that's a 0 position, and then you can see when I move the slider here, try to move the slider here, you can see the one of the link rotating. And similarly the other link, initially it starts from 0 position, and then I can pull that to the location wherever I need. So actually like we try to give the we try to do the uh, pen function. I added some extra lines of code for the pen function to extract the xy positions. So when I run the pen function and try to write something, so I'll copy that. So you can see the one input processed, and then you can see those files here. C program files, MATLAB. I named it at exp, so you can see the x and y positions here. So I try to write the x and y positions. Now I know the logic, like we need to convert the x y positions and make it like do the fkn and ikn, and then get back the fkn and ikn values to a .txt file, and then send the send the values from the .txt file in a loop to the two different motors, so that we can write the letters. So that is how we plan, but we are not able to do up to that extent. And this is all about our project. So we are able to move the two motors with the slider, and then move the end effector. We are successfully able to get the values from the pen function. Thank you.